Lori's RV. I'm at Walmart. Yay! Anyway, I decided that I was done with trying to get my cell phone to do recordings. So I ran to Walmart, took care of that problem. So I'm headed back home and we'll see how this works. Hello, it's Lori again. I made it back home and I'm thinking I like this camera. So I'm outside testing it in the light to see how it does. Got the bedding and all that stuff done to get put back in the rig. Got it parked up in my driveway. Not real sure. You could probably see it right there. Barely fit. Sucker's huge. Anyway, so I'm gonna get busy. Got some material today. Hopefully I can get curtains made, get them in there, and I might take you along for that. Thanks.